top story at 5:30. New developments in the court case against a former Portsmouth police officer accused of murder. His trial will take place in Portsmouth.
Yeah, we have been following this story since April. That's when Stephen Rankin shot William Chapman in a Walmart parking lot. 10 on your side's Andy Fox joins us now with what he learned in the latest motions in court today. Andy?
Anita and Stephanie, the three big issues. Judge Johnny Morrison says he thinks a fair and impartial jury can be seated in Portsmouth. Second, he also took under advisement whether to allow testimony of a 2011 shooting where Rankin killed a burglary suspect. Third, Judge Morrison says Chapman's juvenile record, which defense attorneys think shows a violent, turbulent, aggressive character, will not be admitted as evidence. William Chapman died in April. His mother stands outside court. She told me the holiday was lonely without her son. Inside the courtroom, Judge Johnny Morrison says Rankin's wife will not be required to testify in her husband's case. And we also learned she was part of the medical team that showed up after the shooting to treat Chapman. Rankin will not be allowed out of Virginia to go to his new home in North Carolina, and Chapman's family pleased with that.
He did not go with that, and I felt that was very fair for him to stay here. I mean, it's only right because, understand, the whole world is looking at this.
Judge Morrison says he will not permit questionnaires be sent to potential jurors' homes to gauge any bias. Jury selection will take as long as it takes inside the courtroom.
I'm not concerned about the interest of time. I'm concerned about justice.
Prosecutors want the jury to read text messages Rankin sent to a dispatcher shortly before the shooting saying he hates the city he works for.
They are highly relevant and probative and indicate what the defendant's state of mind, intent could have been.
Judge Morrison also addressed a so-called divide that has apparently developed between whites and blacks.
What is this divide in the community? Simply because you have people demonstrating in front of the courthouse. Or you may have somebody on city council making certain statements. Or you may have a group of people demonstrate. They don't represent the whole city of Portsmouth. They don't represent, if they happen to be African American, they don't represent all the African Americans in this city.
Judge Johnny Morrison, in his own words. The trial is set for March 21st. Judge Morrison has made it clear on several occasions that in his courtroom there will be transparency, fairness, building the foundation that at the end of this trial, whatever the decision is, that people will think justice has been served. In the newsroom, Andy Fox, 10 on your side.